In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use the Gantt chart or a Gantt chart in ClickUp. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you would then select one of your projects that you wish to add a Gantt chart on. A Gantt chart or a Gantt view is what you can use for your project. Let's have this for example. Click right here on the plus view. Then from here, select Gantt chart. Now, what is a Gantt chart? This is basically a template or the actions. As you can see on your Kanban board, I have this task. So what I can do, I'm going to select one of the tasks and I'm going to drag it right here on my Gantt chart. So you can see this is scheduled on Feb 14. Now let's change that. Let's change it to today on April 28th. Now, as you can see, I'm going to choose the start date right there. Now on my Gantt chart, that would automatically be adjusted. So you can see right here. This is the improved system reliability metrics. Now, from here also, I can even adjust this. Let's say I want to increase it, the due date. So what I'm going to do, I have full access to just drag it right here. And now my new starting date is from today until May 2. So whatever your task is, it would be right here. It's basically a plan view where you can see all of your tasks plotted right here on this calendar. And that's a Gantt chart. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.